How do you decide that you need knee replacement surgery? I always give this option to the patient by asking them 4 questions, and I tell them not to answer me, but to answer themselves. The first question is my pain affecting my activities of daily living? If the answer to this question is no, then there is no need to answer the second, third and fourth question. That means your pain is not that much on the scale of 10, so you can live without the surgery for the next few years till it becomes worse. The second question comes, if the answer to the first question is yes, it is affecting my activities of daily living, then you answer this, how long do I have to suffer with this pain? Then you take a call, how long you should avoid this surgery, because every year you are going to get old and your tolerance to surgery is going to become less. Third question, is there an alternative to get my pain reduced? If yes, why should not I take that alternative to make myself comfortable and improve my quality of life? If the answer to the first 3 questions is yes, then you can definitely visit Satyasai Orthopaedic and Multispeciality Hospital, where for the last 15 years we have done more than 20,000 orthopedic surgeries successfully. And then we will definitely assure you that we will give our best to make sure your pain in the knee comes down.